Okay, the second thing I want to tell us is about user experience. User experience means the the particular problem the app solves. We can say what it does for the user. So in this particular case, I want this particular app, children. So number one, what are the things we want this app to do for the child? The app is specifically for children in nursery and early primary school, so they can um, children should be able to um, users which are children now. Users can identify the alphabets. They identify the alphabets. Number two, through this app, users can write the alphabets. So they can write later. They will learn how to practice how to write A, B, C, and D. And then number three, users can identify um, alphabets and their their objects. Then number four, we can add more like a quiz or an exam or a fun game that users can practice what they have learned. So if you check, this is what we basically what we have just done is what we normally say user experience. So whenever you hear user experience, just know that this is what it means. In professional terms, you hear people say UX design. Okay, so that's number one. Since we're through with that one, let me go to the next one. Next is I want to tell us about user interface. So user interface. This one is called UI. So most times for developers, web developers, and mobile app developers, you hear UI UX. Now you know that UX user experience means the particular problem the app solves, or the website, or the software, whatever it solves, what it does it does for the user. So when it comes to user interface, it means how the app appears. You see, the more colorful the app is and easy to use, the more you have more persons using it. So in this particular case, for the user interface for this particular app, so I'll introduce us to a basic concept. Let me start by, I want to draw this just to represent our app. And by calculation, this is 100%. 100% means it's complete. This is 100%. Okay, and then this other part too is 100%. Okay, so by that I mean from here to here is 100%, from here to here is 100%. Now if we look at just go back so that we will see. Okay, it's not up, but let me continue. Okay, so for this particular app, and I can divide this into, that means I can divide this into 10, divide this into 10. So I want to divide this into say 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Don't worry about the lines. Then this one I want to divide it into 2. So you can divide it into 3, into 10, into the numbers that you want. So this we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10, that means each part here, each line here is 10. Then this means each line here is 15. So I want to have the first part of the app to be, say, about 40. So if you check from here, what I've just done, from here to here, okay, now let me delete that. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is 40% by 100%. So for this box I just placed here, it's 40% the height, and then the width is 100%. It's 100%. If you look at it, we did not touch the width, then the height is 1, 2, 3, 4, 40%. Next, okay, I want to put where I will have the menu. So this will be like our welcome screen. Here I will have I want to include more like a menu, and I want the menu to take say 50%. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so 50%. So you can see this is 50% the height, and then the width is 100%. Okay, good. Then I want to add the more like the home bar, the one that will take people back. If you check this one, the width here, the height, sorry, is 10%, and then the width is 100%. So you can see 40, 50, 10 will give us a total of 100. This one is 100, this one is 100, this one is 100. Now, in this same app, I want to do this part. I want to add about 4 buttons. So let me just use a line. I want to add 4 buttons. I want to add buttons this way. I want to add buttons this way. So you can, if you calculate with me now, so if this particular button, you get this part you just divided, that means if this is 50, the answer means this part is 25%, you get, and this part is what? 25%. So 25%, 25% will give you 50%. This part is 100, so that means this one is what? Who can give me the answer? 50%, correct? And this one is equal to what? 50%. You can see now that we have the user interface for our app designed. So now let's go back to App Inventor.